Hello everyone, I am back. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present a classic to you. The name of the line dance is Light It Up. The song is number 1, Tide is High. The artist is KARDINAL Official, and the choreography is DONELL McFadden. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes from the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674 and let's go. And there you go, the classic, guys. Light It Up. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Hula teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And as a friendly reminder, if you want to learn the step-by-step instructions to this line dance, I'll pin it at the end. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.